Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody fit and fine by the grace of Almighty. Now I am going to teach you how to use sum and subtotal in the Excel sheet. I think this video is very important if you want to improve your Excel skill. So let's get started. First I am showing how to use sum. Yes, sum, first bracket, then select price, then first bracket complete, and total. Total price is 2,450,000. You see, if I filter mobile, not showing this sum. If I use subtotal, then select 9, then comma, then select price, then first bracket complete. Total 2,450,000. Then one difference is if I select now computer, then computer price is 1 lakh. If I select mobile, then mobile price is 16,000. If I select tab, then tab price is coming 14,000. The subtotal depend on filter. Thank you everyone.